Let's viewers move on in the bulletin. We have big breaking news coming in. That is from Uttar Pradesh. Now, UP CEO has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claims on anomalies in the voter list. Now, Uttar Pradesh Chief Election Officer has said that the facts presented by Rahul Gandhi are incorrect. So after a Karnataka poll body now Uttar Pradesh's poll body has also fact-checked Rahul Gandhi. So remember, Rahul Gandhi had accused the Election Commission of manipulating data, and he had mentioned about Uttar Pradesh as well as Karnataka and Maharashtra as well. And the Karnataka poll body had rebuked Rahul Gandhi and mentioned that the facts presented are wrong. And now the UP's Election Commission officer has also said that the facts presented by Rahul Gandhi are incorrect. So the Chief Electoral Officer has rebuked Rahul Gandhi, and he has mentioned that Rahul Gandhi, remember, held a press conference on the topic, the foundation of the Constitution is vote, and the vote has been destroyed. And the Chief Electoral Officer mentioned that along with other topics, the state of Uttar Pradesh was also mentioned, in which he had said that two voters named Shri Aditya Srivastav and Shri Vishal Singh, these names were mentioned but the Electoral Officer said that their names are also mentioned in the voter list of the legislative assemblies of Uttar Pradesh. And these figures have been shown by Rahul Gandhi as taken from the website of Election Commission. All right, let's get all the updates. Riyanka, my colleague, is now joining us for more details. Riyanka, now a strong rebuke has come in from the UP CEO rejecting Rahul Gandhi's claims of anomalies in the voter list. What exactly is the Chief Election Officer of Uttar Pradesh saying about Rahul Gandhi's claims?
Well, the Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh has gone ahead and given it back at Rahul Gandhi, making a fact check regarding the statements and the facts put forward by Rahul Gandhi yesterday when he was addressing a press conference, bringing in facts and talking about the atom bomb proof that the Congress party has been time and again saying in the parliament and during the protest that they are going to put forward the names of, doubling of people. And at this point in time, what exactly the Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh has said is that Rahul Gandhi made several claims and provided certain facts in which names of two people have been associated, the fact that their names have been put in the list of the cards in UP, in Karnataka, as well as in other states. Now, the Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh has gone ahead and clarified the entire matter. He has said the names of both the voters are only included in the list in Karnataka and not in the state of Uttar Pradesh. They have come out with all the figures from the side of the Chief Electoral Officer in UP, and they have completely rebuked the statements and the claims made by Rahul Gandhi. Remember, time and again, the Congress party as well as the India Alliance leaders have been time and again protesting against the Bihar SIR issue. And remember how Rahul Gandhi had said that he will be providing the proofs. In fact, the Election Commission also asked all the political parties who had problems or they wanted certain changes or had some objections to be brought to the Election Commission, but there also the ECI mentioned that no such political parties have put in any objection. But Rahul Gandhi, all talks, no action, bringing in false facts, clearly rebuked by the Chief Electoral Officer in Uttar Pradesh, claiming that the names that Rahul Gandhi had taken, whether their inclusions were in several states, are just restricted to one state, that is in Karnataka.
Right. Stay with us, Riyanka. We are right now joined in by Mr. Mahendra Singh, who's a BJP spokesperson. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here on Republic TV. Sir, your reaction, because after Karnataka poll body, now Uttar Pradesh's Chief Election Officer has also rebuked Rahul Gandhi and fact-checked him and shown him that the allegations that Rahul Gandhi had made were actually wrong. And he has also fact-checked him. So how do you look at this development?
देखिए, राहुल गांधी एक जिद्दी बच्चे की तरह बिहेव करते हैं, इमेच्योर हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटीज की उनको जानकारी नहीं है। जो इंसान इस तरह की बातें कर सकता है, जेटली साहब के प्रति ये कहना कि मैं उनको मिला था और उन्होंने मेरे को आके धमकी दी थी और कहा था कि किसान बिलों के ऊपर मत बोलें, ऐसे आदमी को आप क्या ट्रस्ट करेंगे? हमें अफसोस है कि वो अपोजिशन के लीडर और एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट पर बैठकर भी उसकी अहमियत को नहीं समझ पा रहे। वो अभी भी स्कूल में जाते, जैसे बच्चा की जिद्दी बच्चा होता है स्कूल में, जो सबको गलत बताता है और खुद को ठीक बताता है, ये उस बच्चा बिहेव कर रहे हैं। ना बदलते हैं, ना बदलना चाहते हैं और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अथॉरिटीज पर बार बार करके उनको छोटा दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं। अब आप बताइए, राहुल गांधी जैसे आदमी को कभी उत्तर प्रदेश के कर्नाटक के